The L-BOXX Mini is a compact and cost-effective packaging alternative for small assortments and tool sets up to a total weight of 1.5 kilograms. The individually insertable dividers are flush with the lid, so the box can be quickly and easily adapted to the goods to be transported without the contents mixing during transport. Due to inset box format design, the robust and durable organizers fit seamlessly into the L-BOXX system. They can be stacked and clicked together thanks to the patented click mechanism. Ergonomic transport in a network is guaranteed, as is integration into the load securing systems of the market leader Sortimo. The L-BOXX Mini is made of food-grade material and is dishwasher safe. It is therefore also ideal as a lunchbox for a well-deserved snack. An optional transparent lid also provides a quick overview of the level and contents of the box without having to open the lid.